This tutorial you can learn how to blur background with fantasy soft light color effect manipulation. So let's start now. Firstly, open your Photoshop, then open your image. Select pen tool and selection your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Now press Ctrl Alt or R for refine edge. Select refine tool and select your hair outside area. In this refine edge dialog box, make sure to smooth one and output to new layer and click on checkbox remember settings, then OK. Selected your background layer and to filter, then blur gallery, then tilt shift. Now hold and drag it down. And from here blur must be increases. And others light bokeh and bokeh color as your desire. Then OK. Now select color lookup. Select your any color and must be opacity decreases low. Now use gradient and select your gradient. Fill and from blending mode select to soft light. And must be opacity decreases low. Now take your light effect and from blending mode select to screen. Now select your top of the layer and hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Go to filter, then Nick collection, then select Color FX Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter and select your desired filter for more fantasy color. Now go to filter, then camera raw filter. For correction some color. Again use gradient and select your gradient fill for more effective. And opacity must be decreases low. Again use cross-processing filter. Now use color balance for balanced color combinations. This time you can save this image. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you must like our tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Thank you.